Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find Pizza Hut promo codes or coupon codes in 2025. So in order to do that, you just have to simply open your web browser and search for Pizza Hut's promo codes 2025. Once you do this, you will be able to see a bunch of different websites that are providing you up to 80% off on Pizza Hut. So you just have to open the websites one by one in a new tab, the websites in which you are actually interested. So let's just say I opened these three. So let's just hop on to the websites one by one in order to find what they are actually offering. So if you are residing in India and if you are looking for the Pizza Hut promo codes, you can come to gadget360.com website where you can grab various types of promo codes available here. You just have to simply use these coupon codes at the time of checkout in order to apply the coupons. But if you are living in the United States, you can just come to coupons.com, and here you can find various types of offers. Like this one has 80% off, so you can just click on it, and now it is giving you the coupon code. So you need to copy and you need to go to pizzahut.com. Over here you just have to create your account, and at the time of checkout you need to use this promo code and you are done. So this way you can find the Pizza Hut's promo codes in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.